Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. As you can see, I already have all of the contacts with the photos, but no worries, I will just remove one of those. So let me pick, for example, this one. All you have to do after entering the contact you'd like to edit is to tap on this big blue button, Edit Contact. Hello? Okay, it works. And here you will have to tap on the camera icon. And in your case, if you do not have any photo added, you will have only two different options. So take new photo and select new photo. Or take photo or just pick from the gallery. First of all, let me remove the photo. And as you can see, we've got those two options, which you can probably see. So after picking take a photo, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. Let's find the photo and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can change also the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted area, is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture, up to you. And after setting it just like you want to, positioning it, just upon done here. You can see that small icon that the photo has been applied here. So remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's crucial. And here we've got our contact with saved photo. It will be shown on the contact list. It should be at least, Billy, hello. Let's maybe refresh it. Turn it off and turn it on again. As you can see, after kind of restarting the app, the photo is visible here. And it will be also visible during, for example, all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.